Hi y'all, my name is Taylor Ann and welcome to my Little Creative Life. Today's video I wanted to share this Owl Bookstore DIY Book Nook kit that Cute Bee sent out, and y'all, I had so much fun and it turned out so cute. So I will have it linked in the description if you guys want to check it out. Everything that you need comes in this kit other than batteries and glue, but you have your like wiring and electrical bits to turn on a little light, your printed wooden pieces, paper, plastic, and it comes with instructions that are really easy to follow. The first step is to just make sure that your electrical works. I know nothing about wiring, but you literally just plug them in and add batteries and ta-da, it works. So now we can start like actually assembling the book nook. All of the pieces are like pre-printed and pre-cut, really detailed, so cute. I think these are really nice quality and they're really cute. I don't know what else to say. I was really impressed. They're all like labeled, so you just follow the instructions and pop everything together. Really easy. I messed up on this clock the very first thing I did. But I was able to take it apart and redo it, and that just shows how user-friendly these kits are. If you make a mistake, you can fix it, and even if you don't fix it, there's so many like little details and stuff to look at you won't even notice. I had a lot of fun making these little books, breaking apart those little wooden tiles, and then using these stickers to wrap little book covers on them. How precious is that? So teeny tiny, smaller than a fingernail. Absolutely precious, kind of fiddly. They didn't turn out perfect, but they turned out good enough, and they're just so cute and charming and adorable. So I did all of those little books. They even have like a little fold up origami style book that looks like the pages are open and there's like little stuff printed on the pages. It's absolutely precious, adorable, precious times 100. I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Mine are a little wonky, but I think that just adds to the charm. Then I'm gonna build a little display shelf for the books we just made, and everything just kind of like pops together. It's got little like notches and everything just pops right into place and turns out so cute. I'm gonna use a little teeny tiny dab of super glue to glue the books that we just made onto the little shelf that we just made. I just tried to like lay them out in a cute little format display, and it looks so cute, and now they're glued into place and like you don't have to worry about them falling over. Precious, absolutely precious. This next little bookshelf, I ended up having to use super glue to keep the like shelves in place, but the little accessories that go on the shelf, look at how cute they are. I think they're like really detailed, and there's little like pegs on the bottom and you just pop them right into place, and ta-da, there's our little shelves for our bookcase. And like I said, I ended up using the super glue to keep this one together, but most of the pieces just kind of pop together and pop into place. Look at these little accessories. They're so tiny. And then put them all together on a little shelf. Ah, precious. Obsessed. Love it. You can see next I'm adding the little plastic pieces to the back. And I love how this turned out because it looks like a little window. Gorgeous. Precious. And once we have all of our elements, like the individual elements, we can start adding them into our little shop. Everything just kind of pops into place. There's holes on like the floor, so everything just puzzles together. And you can see how it comes together with all the like layers of details. Last thing to do was to add the walls and the front face. Oh, so cute. I think that really tied it together. It's finished on all of the sides. so you can display it anywhere. The light is on a touch sensor, so it just automatically lights up your little shop when you tap the top. And look at it, so cute. You can open the door, there's a little handle, and peek at all the details inside the shop. So cute. So this was my first time doing one of these kits, and I'm just obsessed. I think it's so cute. Like I said, it's finished on all of the sides, and there's a little compartment to hide all of your wiring, so you can display this anywhere, and there's not like a bad side. There's not any unfinished sides. It's just so cute. I really enjoyed it. I had so much fun. Like I said, I will have it linked if you guys are interested. There's tons of different scenes. I kind of want to do them all and just have like a whole little village. And I learned a lot in the process of making this one, so I think the next time it'll be even better. So thank you guys so much for hanging out and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and until I see y'all in the next video, stay creative.